Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Make your bed. Make your bed. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast.
Pack your school bag. Pack your school bag.
Do your homework. Do your homework. Wear clean clothes. Wear clean clothes. Put your shoes in the rack. Put your shoes in the rack.
Keep your room tidy. Keep your room tidy.
Finish your lunch at school. Finish your lunch at school.
Wash your hands before meals. Wash your hands before meals.
Wash your hands after using the bathroom. Wash your hands after using the bathroom.
Drink enough water throughout the day. Drink enough water throughout the day.
Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough. Cover your mouth when you sneeze or cough.
Remember to take a shower daily. Remember to take a shower daily. Change your clothes after playing outside. Change your clothes after playing outside.
Clip your nails regularly. Clip your nails regularly.
Always wear sunscreen when going outside. Always wear sunscreen when going outside.
Brush your teeth before bed. Brush your teeth before bed. Don't touch your face too often. Don't touch your face too often.
Eat more fruits and vegetables. Eat more fruits and vegetables.
Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street.
Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers.
Wear your seatbelt in the car. Wear your seatbelt in the car. Always tell me where you're going. Always tell me where you're going.
Don't climb up the wall. Don't climb up the wall.
Stay close when we're in a crowded place. Stay close when we're in a crowded place.
Keep sharp objects away from your hands. Keep sharp objects away from your hands. Use scissors safely. Use scissors safely. Never open the door to strangers. Never open the door to strangers. Don't touch electrical outlets. Don't touch electrical outlets. Listen to your teacher carefully. Listen to your teacher carefully. Be kind to your classmates. Be kind to your classmates. Share your toys and snacks. Share your toys and snacks. Always write your name on your homework. Always write your name on your homework. Raise your hand before speaking. Raise your hand before speaking. Double-check your answers before submitting. Double-check your answers before submitting. Read a little every day. Read a little every day. Keep your books organized. Keep your books organized. Don't forget to bring your library book. Don't forget to bring your library book. Ask questions if you don't understand something. Ask questions if you don't understand something. Say please and thank you. Say please and thank you. Apologize if you make a mistake. Apologize if you make a mistake. Don't interrupt when someone is talking. Don't interrupt when someone is talking. Be honest, even if it's hard. Be honest, even if it's hard. Use kind words with everyone. Use kind words with everyone. Don't shout indoors. Don't shout indoors. Take turns when playing games. Take turns when playing games. Always clean up after yourself. Always clean up after yourself. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Share your toys with your siblings. Share your toys with your siblings.